Good morning, class. I'm just going to quickly go through our first activity, our coordinate plane battleship. This is a game I want you to play with a sibling or a friend or a parent. Um, I've attached these coordinate planes. I'd like you to either print them off or just take a piece of paper and draw a 10 by 10 grid. So at x-axis, the horizontal 10, and the y-axis by 10. Once you've done that and you have four copies of this, I then want you and your partner each to have two of them. You'll have one, which is for your partner's ships, and one, which you will put 5 ships of your own on. Now, if you see on mine, I have made a ship of 5. Guess that's like the aircraft carrier, a battleship and a destroyer, 4 ships, and then a 3 and a 2. So there's 5 ships. One of them is 5 in length, 2 or 4 in length, one is 3, and one is 2. So there are 5 ships. And all you're going to do is guess your opponent's, and then they'll guess your positions on the ship. So if you were to be guessing, let's say you want to guess this ship here. There's a ship of 3 that, oops, man, Mr. Boyce, you need to learn how to draw on a computer. There's this ship here that goes 3 up, and you were trying to guess your partners. Well, this ship starts at the spot 2, 3. So if you guessed the position 2 or x2, y3, position 2, 3, well, that would then be a hit. And to sink a ship, you have to knock out all of the side or all the parts. So maybe then they would guess 2, 4. That's a hit. And if they guessed 2, 2, well, that would not sink a ship. 2, 2 is a hit, but it would not. I mean, it's a miss. It's this position. It would not hit the boat. But if they hit 2, 5, that would sure sink that ship. Every time that you make a guess, you're going to just X it off or make sure that you know that you've guessed it. But you'll specifically mark when you hit a ship. So this ship, 3, 4, 5, you'd say, you sunk my ship. And they would know, oh, I got the 3 in a row. So you're always saying the guess. They're either saying hit or miss. And eventually, one of you will knock out the opponent's all 5 ships. Okay? So that's your goal, is to take out your opponent's ships. Now, just to practice a few, if I wanted to guess this spot here, this position is, so I'm guessing this position here. Well, this spot is 9, 7. It's 9 on the x-axis, 7 on the y-axis. And you might see I have these labeled. There's x here and y here. X just means your horizontal axis, marks how far left or right. Y means your vertical axis, marks how far up or down. Okay, let's do one more of these. How about this position here? How could we mark this? Take a second to figure out what that spot is. Well, if you guessed 4, 6, you're right. That's the position 4, 6. Okay, well, have fun playing Cartesian plane or coordinate plane battleship with a friend or sibling or parent. And then your second activity is quite straightforward. I'd like you to sign into your Prodigy account and play on the coordinate plane assignment that I've given you. All right, have a wonderful Station Monday. That's all. Also, I hope to talk to you at 11 o'clock for our class office hours. We're getting close to the end of the school year, so it'd be nice to connect with you guys.